वन्दे मातरम् आचार्य।
किं प्रारभ्यते भवतः गानेन?
आम्।
हरि ओम गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नागसुधा माता प्रारम्भं करोतु।
आं महोदय।
टाइम बांब प्रचलति यत्र कुत्रापि। विस्फोटक सूचिका।
श्रीगणनाथं भज रे चित्तपराशक्तियुतं श्रीगणनाथं भज रे चित्तपराशक्तियुतं श्रीगणनाथं भज रे। नागयज्ञ सूत्रधरं नादलयानन्दकरं नागयज्ञ सूत्रधरं नादलयानन्दकरं श्रीगणनाथं भज रे चित्तपराशक्तियुतम् आगमादिसन्नुतम् अखिलदेवपूजितम् आगमादिसन्नुतम् अखिलदेवपूजितम् योगिशालिभावितं भोगिशायि सेवितम् योगिशालिभावितं भोगिसेवितं रागद्वेषादिरहित रमणीय हृदय विदितं रागद्वेषादिरहित रमणीय हृदय विदितं श्रीगुरुगुह सम्मुदितं चिन्मूलकमलाश्रितं श्रीगुरुगुह सम्मुदितं चिन्मूलकमलाश्रितं श्रीगणनाथं भज रे चित्तपराशक्तियुतं श्रीगणनाथं भज रे।
धन्यवादाः।
धन्यवादाः।
अद्य शंकर भगवत्पादविरचितस्य अर्धं व्याख्यानं कुर्मः इति मया उक्तं, परन्तु मध्यकाले किञ्चित् आलोचना परिवर्तना जाता। किं भवन्तः सर्वे राष्ट्रगानं जानन्ति? भारत राष्ट्रगानं
जनगणमन
जानन्ति भवन्तः सर्वे? जानन्ति एव। अर्धं जानन्ति वा? इदानीं तद् ज्ञायते। भारतदेशस्य राष्ट्रगीतस्य, राष्ट्रगानस्य, जातीयगीतस्य अर्थः ज्ञायते। संस्कृतभाषायाम् एव सम्भाषणं करोमि। यदि यूयं सर्वेपि संस्कृतं किञ्चित् किञ्चित् अर्धं जानन्ति इति मत्वा यूयमपि तदेव प्रयत्नं कुर्वन्तु। यत्र कुत्रापि दोषाः जायन्ते, अस्तु अस्तु, लेट इट बी। अस्तु, अद्य तद् ज्ञायते। कुत्र अस्ति? Shri Gananadam Bhajari.
We are able to follow certain, even the slokas also.
Ah,
Better, we are able to follow the meaning better now.
yeah. Tadarthameva idanim aham samskrita bhashayam sambhashanam karomi. जनगणमन जातीय गीतस्य एतद् भवन्तः जानन्ति सर्वे खलु जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. This is our national song, right? In which अस्मिन् जातीय गीते अर्थः ज्ञायते. भवानेव पदविभजनं कुर्वन्तु. जनगणमन
जन गण
मन. Okay. Jana nama
people.
Gana group. Okay. Gana means group. Mana mana
Mind.
heart.
Yeah.
Okay. Jana gana mana. Now you should go to the Shabda. Jananam, Gananam, Manasi. Jananam is like Sashti Bahuvachanam, of the people. Mananam, of the hearts. Okay. Gananam, of the groups. Manasi, in the hearts. On the hearts actually. Manasi, on. Person, Adhinayaka. Adhinayaka is a leader. A leader who occupied the hearts of groups of people. A leader who occupied the hearts of groups of people. Jaya He. Jaya He is victorious. That person should be victorious who occupied the hearts of groups of people. Why groups of people? Because in India there is not one religion. There are many religions and many different opinions and different philosophies.
Ji, I think this was written by who wrote this? Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes, Rabindranath Tagore.
And he originally wrote this for the Queen Victoria when she was coming to India, and then
not for Queen Victoria, Swami, for
King George.
King George II. He was a collector at that time.
And then now it's converted to a national anthem.
No, I'll tell you the reason also. So later in 1950s, it became a national anthem, but he wrote it previously. We are reading about the national anthem, real song.
He was really
not the
talking about King George when he's talking about Adhinayaka, not the Indian ruler.
That's what I'm saying. If you listen to the complete song, then we'll know what actually the intention of Rabindranath Tagore. We just look at the history and tell this is written by him, for him, it become national anthem. It's a simple statement. But if you listen to the meaning, you know why he wrote it. That's the purpose we are reading. In which entire national anthem, you will never see a name of King George II or Queen Victoria, anybody. But he wrote it. Why he wrote it? If he really writes it for King George II, it will never be a national anthem. Because appreciating some other person cannot be our national anthem. So why it is made a national anthem, we'll come to know when you know the meaning. So Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He. A person who occupied the hearts of groups of people, he should be victorious. That's fine, Swami. This is the core. This is called as Makutam, which comes of every ending of the stanza. Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He. He should be victorious. Who occupied the groups, hearts of groups of people. He is Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. What is Bharata? The country. Bhagya, fortune.
Earth.
Fortune. Vidhata,
Maker.
creator or maker. Who changed the fate of Bharata Desha, he should be victorious. It is not only King George II or some X or Y. He should be victorious who occupied the minds of or hearts of groups of people and who changed the fate of India. Who he is, whoever he is, he should be victorious. Now, he is telling about India now. What is India? It is Bharata Desham. How it is, how it is structure. Punjab, Sindhu, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkala, Banga. He just gave all the states as a Mala Swarupam. Punjab comes as Sindhu, next lower part Gujarat, again Maharashtra, Dravida is a southern region, Utkala is Assam, Bengal, and it is occupied by, like it is two sides of the country. There are Vindhya Himachala. North side we have Himachala, that is Himalayas, and south side we have Vindhya Parvata. You can find Vindhya Parvata in Karnataka and like Goa region. Kerala, sorry. Vindhya Himachala. There are two beautiful rivers in it, Yamuna, Ganga. Utchala. What is Utchala?
Sure.
Many people will do mistake here. It is Uchchala. It is not Uchchala. It is Utchala. What is Ut? I think we discussed it. It's like a, no, what you can say. It's like Upasarga. It is prefix. Ut. Upwards. Chala, jumping. Jumping upwards. Jaladhi Taranga. The waves touching the sky. This is Kanyakumari place. Like we have all the three sides ocean jumping waves. Entire Bharata Desha, or in all these states, with all this Parvata Pranta, with all this Nadi Pranta, with all the ocean Pranta, Samudra Pranta, everywhere, Tava Shubha Name. What is Tava?
You are.
You are. Shubha Name.
Good name.
Okay. Jage.
Jage.
Jage. What is Jage?
Wake up.
Wake up. Wake up means not getting up from the bed. They are getting alertness listening to your name. Tava Shubha Name Jage. Listen to your name, they'll get activated. And after getting that, what they do? Tava Shubha Asisha Mage. What is Asisha?
Blessings.
Blessings. What is Mange?
Begging.
Asking, seeking. Gahe. What is Gahe here? Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha. What is Gatha?
Story.
Stories. Whose stories? Tava Jaya Gatha. Not simple story.
The victorious.
Victorious stories. Gahe.
Sing.
Very good. We sing your victorious stories. We just get activated when we listen to your name. We sing songs of yours. Okay. Whose? Jana Gana Mangaladayaka Jaya He. We told the Bharata Bhagya Vidhata, fortune changer of Bharata Desha, who he is? Jana Gana Mangaladayaka. What is Mangaladayaka?
Welfare.
Dayaka, giver.
Presenter. Yeah, giver.
Okay, presenter. What he presents? Mangalam. What is Mangalam? Shubham. Yeah. To whom? Jana Gana. Who in the first line, Jana Gana Mana Adhinayaka. Here is Jana Gana Mangaladayaka. Jaya He, who is Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Again, he is confirming it. Not everyone. He is Bharata Bhagya Vidhata, who changes the fate of Bharata Desha. So now just read it slowly once again. Okay, I'll read it slowly once again. You try to recollect the meaning. Janagana mana adhinayaka jaya he Bharata bhagya vidhata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Banga. Banga is Bengal. Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Utchala Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Asisha Mage Gahe Ya Gatha Janagana Mangala Dayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He. This is the first stanza of our national anthem. You know the second stanza? Aharaha tava ahvana pracharita sunitava udara vani Hindu Bauddha Sikh Jaina Parasika Musalmana Kristhani Purab Paschima Ase Tava Simhasana Pas Prema Har Haya Gatha Janagana Aikya Vidhayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He. Do you ever heard this second stanza?
No.
No.
Anybody?
No.
You know how
We read it
beautiful it is?
sometimes. We read it, but did not hear the song.
Can we go through the meaning, Acharya?
Yes. Aharaha tava. What is aha?
Mine?
Aha is day. Aharaha every day.
Oh. Aha is day.
Aha is day. Aha.
Oh.
Ratri is ratri. Aha is day. Aharaha tava. What is tava?
Your.
You-
Ahvana.
Inviting,
Invitation.
Very good. Pracharita.
spreading,
Spreading. Sunitava udara vani. Suni is
Listen.
listening. Tava
Your.
udara vani.
Dara means kind.
Kind words.
Kind tone. Very good. We are listening to your kind tone every day. Your welcoming tone. Okay. What is this India? We are in India, in Bharata Desha, we are listening to your welcoming tone. That is Suprabhatam. Ahara pana prasarita sunitava udara vani. Who are there here? What type of methodologies, what type of ideologies can be seen in Bharata Desha? Hindu, Bauddha, Sikh, Jaina, Parasika, Musalman, Christani. Hindu, Bauddha, Sikh, Jaina, Parasika, Musalman, Christani. These many religions are there. We are very popular with only three: Hindu, Muslim, and Christian. But there are many in Bharata Desha. What is Puraba? Purva.
East.
East.
Paschima.
West.
Ase.
Left.
Direction. Asa is direction. Asha is direction. Purab Paschima Ase. It is spread from east to west. Tava Simhasana Pase. You occupied the throne from east to west. Which king occupied from east to west?
King
There are
George.
many kings in India in ancient time, like Aditya Varma and Vikramaditya, and there are few kings, Pandya Vamsha, Cholas, who occupied a lot of Bharata Desha up to Afghanistan.
Ashoka.
Purab Paschima Ase, Tava Simhasana Pase. You occupied a kingdom, a throne. Premahar Haya Gatha. What is Premahara? Gadha is a story. What type of
Yes.
story you have? Premahara. It is like a garland of love. Janagana Aikya Vidhayaka. What is Aikya Vidhayaka?
Uniting leader.
Who unites all the groups of people to oneness. Gana Aikya Vidhayaka Jaya Hai. Such type of person is called as Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. This Jaya Hai. Just come to the meaning again, I'll read it. Aharaha tava ahvana pracharita sunitava udara vani. Hindu, Bauddha, Sikh, Jain, Parasika, Musalman, Christani. Purab Paschima Ase, Tava Simhasana Pase. Prema Har Hayagata. Janagana Aikya Vidhayaka Jaya Hai. Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Jaya Hai, Jaya Hai, Jaya Hai, Jaya 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 Hai. This is the second stanza. How is it?
It's beautiful. Yeah.
Very nice.
Acharya ji,
Tagore.
yeah,
Not only the first stanza.
one question, Acharya ji. Did Tagore write in Sanskrit or Bengali? Do we know?
I told you, na, Bengali is a language which is small changes in Sanskrit only. He wrote this only.
Oh, okay, okay.
He wrote
Good
this
to know.
only, the same in Sanskrit. But people just translated in their languages. This is the one written by Rabindranath Tagore only.
Mm.
No one altered it.
It is beautiful, yeah.
Nice, na?
There
Yes,
is one.
It is beautiful, yeah.
There is a criticism about this song.
Okay.
All the South, different
Uh-huh.
states were dismissed as Dravida.
That's okay, Swami. We can't put everything, you know. We can't put everything in one poetry.
No, but there is a lot of criticism about it, I
See,
heard.
if we are one, if we Janagana Aikya Vidhayaka, when you talk about the unity, this is not considered. I don't think it's a consideration. Okay, it's fine now. Go to the next one. Beautiful one.
Or do we have more on
found
this
as
one?
Wonderful, you know.
There's one more stanza.
Yeah.
That's, yeah, I would
This is
love
the
to hear
beautiful
it.
one. Patana Abhyudaya Bandhura Pantha Yuga Yuga Dhavita Yatri. Tumuchira Sarathi Tavaratha Chakre Mukharita Patha Dina Ratri. Daruna Viplava Maje Tava Shankha Dhvani Baje Sankata Dukkha Trata. Janagana Patha Parichayaka Jaya Hai Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Jaya Hai Jai.
Apana
This-
Abhyudaya Bandhur.
This is, you know, one of wonderful stanzas among these. What is Patana?
Something
Going down.
Down.
Falling. Abhyudaya?
Uplift.
being
Progressive.
Growing.
Mhm.
Falling and getting up. What is our life? It always like share market. It falls down and gets up, falls down and gets
Up
up.
and down.
Up and down. Like our life, he's saying about a yatri. Yatri is a traveler who always falls down and gets up. Yatri falls down and gets up. Where? Pantha, his way. The way of a yatri is falling down and getting up.
What's a
And when, what is the
bandhura?
time? Yuga Yuga Dhavita Yatri. Not one yuga. He is falling down and coming up, getting up, falling down and getting up.
Many yugas.
Who are you? Who is that yatri? Tell me about one traveler who falls down and gets up every time from yugas. To whom he is speaking about?
sun.
Not King George II. Na?
Sun god.
Soul, Atma.
So
Atma, it falls, he leaves the body, just it takes another body, just it travels on. Na? So Patana, Abhyudaya, Bandhura, filled. Bandhura is filled.
oh,
Your travel, your journey is filled with all ups and downs. It's coming from Yuga Yuga, like many yugas. Who are you? Tumachira Saradhi. You are the Saradhi. What is Saradhi?
Chariot.
The captain.
Charioteer.
Mhm.
Charioteer.
Tava Radha Chakre. What is Tava? Your Radha Chakre. What is Radha Chakra?
Wheels of chariot.
Wheels of chariot. Okay. What is going under the wheels of chariot? Mukharita Patha. The way which started with Dina Ratri, day and night. All the beautiful philosophy was explained here. The soul, which is just coming from ages, changing different bodies. Okay, it is making a path of moksha under the chariot, living a life every day and every night.
What is Mukharita, Acharya?
Mukharita started, just blossomed or just sprouted.
Ah,
A day and a night. See, from our every day it comes, every day it comes, but we are changing every day. We are new every day. We are not like yesterday. Every day is new for us. Just think about every life which the soul changes. Think about every body which soul changes. It changes like a cloth. Patana abhyudaya bandhura pantha. You are getting up and falling down. Yuga yuga dhavita yatri. You are a traveler from yuga and yuga. Tumachira saradhi. You are the charioteer. You are the owner of your life. Tavaradha chakre, under your wheel of chariot. Mukharita padha dinya ratri. Days and nights are falling down. Every day, every night you are traveling. Daruna viplava maje. What is daruna?
horrible.
Viplava.
Revolution.
Revolution.
Revolution. What is aje?
Coming.
No, aji is yuddha bhumi, yuddham.
Oh,
Okay. Daruna viplava maje. In a very typical war field, tava shankha dhvani baje.
it's like the
Your
Krishna.
conch sound is just ringing everywhere. Who are you? Sankata dukkha trata. What is sankata dukkha?
Misery.
Sankata is problem, dukkha is difficulty, trata, remover. You are the remover of all the problems and grief. Janagana patha parichayaka. He give the next third one. Janagana mangaladayaka. Janagana adhinayaka. Now he is telling Janagana patha parichayaka. What is patha?
Path.
Path. Path bestower. Janagana patha parichayaka. You are a path bestower of Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. That's why you are called as Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Jaya he, Jaya he, Jaya Jaya Jaya. Patana Abhyudaya Bandhura Pantha Yuga Yuga Dhavita Yatri. Toma Chira Saradhi Tavaratha Chakre Mukharita Padha Dina Ratri. Daruna Viplava Maje Tava Shankha Dhvani Baje. Sankata Dukkha Trata. Janagana Patha Parichayaka. Jaya he Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Jaya he, Jaya he. Nice, na?
Yes.
Yeah, very nice.
Rabindranath Tagore. It's one
Yeah.
of beautiful stanzas.
This one is more like about Krishna, I think. He's
Yes.
talking.
Now you come to point. It is so. National anthem is not about King George II or Queen. This is about Krishna.
I think
Fantastic.
first stanza is about King George. Second is about somebody else.
No. It's not like that. He
No,
wrote
but
about
I-
a leadership quality. Okay, let me complete the next stanza also.
Oh.
It's
Oh,
good we have more. Would love to hear more. Yeah.
What is Bandura here? Bandura means rising
Bandhura is
up.
filled with
filled with.
Patana Abhyudaya Bandhura. It is filled with ups.
Ups and downs.
Filled with.
1, 2, 3 completed. Now fourth one.
Are there more or just 4?
I think there should be 5.
Oh,
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'll tell you the fifth one also. Okay. I think there's only 4 stanzas, I think, Swami. Why I'm missing it? My mind is not accepting it. Okay, 1 complete. What is 2? Okay, done. 3. Okay, 3 is done. 4. I missed the 4th one. The 4th one here?
Ratra Prabhavit.
No.
Prabhavit.
Ghora Timira. No, you are not seeing it. Okay, I'll just show you.
So there are 5 stanzas.
Yeah, there are 5 stanzas. Okay, just now I'll show you.
Yeah, I see the second stanza. Aho raho tavo. I guess the Bengalis write slightly differently. I guess.
They write it in their language. It's a different way. Yeah. 4th. No.
Yeah. Ghora timiro.
Yeah.
Gana nibiro.
Timira. Yeah, I'll just a second. I'll just give it.
Yeah. All right. I'll mute my mic.
I already. Why am I just doing this delay today?
Yeah, while you search, I'll say one interesting thing. Like I watched a few Bengali movies of late, and they were very interesting. And
many good storytellers can be seen in Bengali movies.
yeah, and when we listen, I did feel the tinge of the Sanskrit because the way they pronounce is different. So that's why it was a little difficult to follow. They say shuno, like something like that, and there are
Okay, you are saying is Ghora Timira Ghana Nibida Nishidhe Pidita Murchita Deshe. Able to see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jagrita Khila Tava Avichala Mangala Natanayane Animeshe Duswapne Atanke Raksha Karile Anke Snehamayi Tumi Mata जनगण दुख त्रायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता. This is the 4th one. Naranpaji, you want to talk something?
No, I was just listening. Yeah.
Okay. Ghora. What is Ghora?
Ghora is
Ghoram.
Bad.
something bad. Yeah.
Timiram.
Timiram also we heard. I just can't.
Timiram. Timiram is darkness. Ghana. What is Ghana?
A big one, like a huge.
weighty.
Thick. Nibida. Filled. All these are adjectives. Ghoram, Timiram, Ghanam, Nibidam. All these are adjectives to Nishida. Nishida is a darkness, night. Ghora, Timira, Ghana, Nibida. Ghora is worst. Timiram, darkness. Ghana, thick. Nibida, filled. Nishidhe, at night. The world, the country, the Bharat Desham is in darkness. What type of darkness? There are 4 adjectives to it. Ghoram, Timiram, Ghanam, Nibidam. Very thick, very deep dark. And what it is? Pidita Murchita Deshe. The country is being Pidita. What is Pidita?
Suffering.
Suffered. Murchita?
Faint.
Fainted. So the country's position is very bad. It is in darkness, it is in poverty, it is in suffocation, it is suffering, and it is murchita, it is fainted. In that country, in that deshe, in deshe, jagrita khila tava abichala mangala natanayane animeshe. Jagrita, we got alerted. In that situation, in that circumstances, we opened our eyes and just look at you. Avichala Mangala Natanayane Animeshe. We just bend our head down Okay, we just got up when our eyes are ready to get closed completely. When we are ready to close, when we are ready to die, at that time you came, we got Jagrita. Means you just protected us. Like, do you know the Gajendra Moksha? Vishnumurti protected Gajendra at exactly the last submission moment. It submitted. As you came to us like Vishnumurti. Duswapne atanke. What is Duswapna?
Bad dream.
Dreams.
What is
Nightmares.
Atanka? Terror. Raksha karile anke. Please protect us in your lap. Raksha karile ankam. Ankam is lap. Snehamayi tumi mata. You have great friendliness as a mother. You are like my mother. King used to be considered as father and mother also. Na? Janagana dukkhatrayaka. He gave the fifth one. Janagana adhinayaka. Janagana mangaladayaka. Janagana aikya vidhayaka. Janagana dukkhatrayaka. Jaya he bharata bhagya vidhata. So this is a very poetic concept of telling the entire country is in darkness. We got alerted, we got awakened, we came out only when you came up. Till then we were in a very worse situation. Ghora timira ghana nibida nishidhe pidita murchita deshe jagrita khilatava avichala mangala nattanayane animeshe. What is animesha? What is nimesham?
Nimesha is a minute, like a moment.
Always.
Why minute? Why that is called nimesham? Nimesham is blink of an eye. Nimesham is blink of an eye. Now we are considering it as 60 seconds. But previously, one nimesham matram is one blink of an eye, time of a blink of an eye.
Animation means? What's that?
Nimesham, that without blinking of eye. We can see you blinking of eye.
Oh, okay.
We got alerted when we need to close our eye, but we are looking at you without blinking our eyes. You protected us. Please, duswapne atanke raksha karale anke snehamayi tumi mata. You are like my mother who just showers friendliness. Janagana dukkhatrayaka jaya he bharata bhagya vidhata. The fourth stanza. Now come to the fifth one.
Acharyaji.
Yeah.
Can we go over the second line one more time in that Jagrita Chila?
It is actually khila.
Khila.
Jagrita khila taba.
Khila means?
Mangala. Natanayane. Animeshe. When we are in trouble, we just got alerted, awakened, looking at you. And you know how your face is? Natanayane. Nata is bending. Nayana, eyes. You are showering lot of, what we can say, pity towards us. You are showering lot of friendliness towards us without blinking of an eye. You protected us in that way. As mother protects baby, she will not blink her eye, it seems, for protecting her. Maybe within the blink of eye, something may happen. So she won't blink to protect her even in that moment. You are like my mother. We got alerted with your love and care, with love and support of yours, as you are not blinking your eye in protection of us.
Jagrita Khila, it's like full Khila.
No. Khila, that is other Hindi, that is from Urdu. Khila is Jagrita Khila. We got up right. We got alerted right. Khila is a word we use for aham agachami khila.
Oh.
It's a common word. Jagrita khila taba avichala mangala natanayane animeshe duswapne atanke. Please protect us. You are protecting always. Please protect us in our duswap, bad dreams. Raksha karile anke, from terror, and please protect us in your lap like a mother. Ghora timira ghana nibida nishidhe pidita murchita deshe jagrita khila tava avichala mangala natanayane an duswapne atanke. रक्षा करिले अंके स्नेहमयी तुमी माता जनगण दुख त्रायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. Whoever protects people from their griefs is considered as Bharata Bhagya Vidhata.
आचार्य जी नमस्ते. नत इत्युक्ते?
Nata, bending down.
अच्छा.
Nata. Is Kavita ma'am? I am speaking to Kavita ji.
आम माता, आम गुरुजी, आम आचार्य जी.
बहुवारानंतरम. Okay. धन्यवाद. Next one. रात्र प्रभालित उदित रवि छवि पूर्व उदय गिरि भाले गाहे विहंगम पुण्य समीरण नव जीवन रस ढाले तव करुणारुण रागे निद्रित भारत जागे तव चरणे नत माथा जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. This is the final one. What is Ratra?
Night.
Okay, Prabhalita. Prabhatila. Prabhatila.
Morning.
Morning. Udita.
Getting up.
Ravi Chavi. Chavi. Chavi shining. Shine.
Wow.
Ravi Chavi.
Sunshine.
Shining sun.
Sunshine. Very good. Where? Purva.
East.
Udayagiri.
Morning.
Udayagiri. Giri.
Morning.
Parvata. Udaya Parvata.
Udaya Parvata. Like we consider east side as a Parvata, where sun comes from behind the Parvata. Okay. Bhale. Okay, shining. What type of India it is? If you go to Kanyakumari, you can see this same beautiful concept. People will go to Kanyakumari to see this. Ratra Prabhalita Prabhatila Uditara Vichavi. Sunshine comes out of sea as if it is a mountain. Okay, the sunshine comes slowly. First, Usha will come. Usha is a orange color light before sun. Then slowly the dark orange color will come. Then sun will come. He's explaining that. From the darkness, you can see some sunshine, before sun rising up. Then slowly sun shine will come. Then sun rays will come. Then slowly he will come out. At that time, what happens? Gahe. What is Gahe? Singing.
Singing.
Who is singing? Vihangama.
Bird.
Birds. Very good. Punya Samirana. What can you feel at that time?
Punya.
Punya is pure. Samiranam.
Peace.
Samira. Wind. Samiram is wind. Okay. So at that time, in the morning time, when before sun rises, when Usha Kiranas will come, orange color rays, that at the time birds will fly in the sky singing songs, and just cool breeze will come. We can enjoy. You know how it will be? Navajivana rasa dhale. It feels like we born newly. We can feel a new experience every day. Sunrise happens every day. Birds will sing every day. The wind breezes every day. Still we feel like rejuvenated every day. Karuna Rage. What is Tava?
Yours.
Karuna.
Mercy.
Kindness.
Aruna.
Race.
Orange color. Aruna color.
Orange color.
Rage. Aruna Raga. Orange color. Your. Karuna Rage. Your orange. Your merciful orange color. In the merciful orange color. Rage. In the color of your merciful. In the merciful color of yours. Nidrita Bharata Jage.
Sleeping
Entire
Bharat
India
wakes up.
will rise.
Sleeping Bharat will wake up.
Tava Charane Natha Matha. What is Matha?
Head.
Tava Charane Nath. I'll bend my Mata. What is Natha now?
Down.
Kavita-ji? Tava Charane Natha Matha. I'll bend my head down to your feet. जय हे जय जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. Oh Bharata Vidhata, I'll salute to you. Now tell me who is Bharata Bhagya Vidhata here? After listening to entire song.
Sun God.
Okay.
In this stanza.
According to my experience of this, there are three people who can be like considered as the hero of the Bharata Desha. Four people, sorry. Number one, Sri Ramachandra. Okay, who blessed us. If you remember Sri Ramachandra's image in the brain and sing the song, Janaganamana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Read the entire song, Sri Rama is apt. Second, Sri Krishna is apt. Third, Surya Bhagavan is apt. The fourth, a person who got qualities of Sri Rama, Sri Krishna and Surya Bhagavan is apt. Maybe Rabindranath Tagore wrote this song feeling that, keeping something in mind, that okay, people should be like Sri Ramachandra. Whoever is like Sri Ramachandra and Sri Krishna's qualities, with the qualities, he should be appreciated. King George too helped many people by giving grains and all. Maybe that might be the reason he just dedicated this song to him. He did not write song on him. He wrote a poetry and dedicated to him. It is not on him. If it is on him, the name must be there. It is not on him. He told like, you are the protector of Bharata Desha. Sri Rama was a protector, Sri Krishna was a protector, Paramatma is protector, or Sun God is protector. And all these are protecting our Bharata Desham, entire place, entire region, everywhere. Whoever has qualities of protection, the song is for them. They are called as Bharata Bhagya Vidhatas. They are called as Bharata Bhagya Vidhata.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Keeping aside the,
Just, I'll read the sentence wise. Please try to remember. And if you have any doubts, any word, just raise your hand or just point out. We'll just go understand the meaning. Janaganamana Adhinayaka Jayahe Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Speaking about the place of Bharata Desha, Punjab, Sindhu, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkala, Vanga, Vindhya, Himalaya, two Parvatas, Yamuna, Jala Jaladi, three sides of just jumping waves of the water, ocean water. Tava Shubha Name Jage, Tava Shubha Ashisha Mage, Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha, Janagana Mangaladayaka Jayahe, Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Whoever does good to the country, they are Bharata Bhagya Vidhatas. For them, the song is dedicated.
Acharya.
Yeah.
What is this Tava Shubha Ashisha Magya means? Asking
Teaching.
for?
Blessings. Ashish.
Ashish.
Okay.
Ashish.
Mange. Like Mange is like Mange.
In Hindi it is Mange.
In
Okay.
Sanskrit it is Mange.
Mahe, it is not a Sanskrit word actually.
Yeah.
It is not, the word itself is not Sanskrit, but it is in Hindi.
Probably Bengali.
Bengali, yeah.
So Utkala is why is it Assam?
Assam was called as Utkala Desha.
Okay. I heard that in our history lessons probably, if I remember right.
Kerala is Orissa.
Yeah, Orissa, sorry.
That's what I thought at least, but yeah. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah.
Aharaha tava ahvana pracharita. Aharaha tava ahvana pracharita. Sunitava udara vani. Every day morning, we listen to your kind tone. Hindu, Buddha, Sikh, Jaina, Parasika, Musalman, Kristani. These many. We listen to your kind tone in these ideologies. Everywhere we listen to the same. Sabka Malik Ek. Purab Paschima Ase, Tava Simhasana Pase, Prema Harahaya Gatha. Janagana Aikya Vidhayaka Jayahe Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Whoever unites, unity and diversity. Whoever unites, they are Bharata Bhagya Vidhatas. Is this fine?
What is Ase?
Asha, I tell you, direction.
Yes. Okay.
Acha. Paschima Asha.
Purva Pashchima Asa.
Okay.
What is Haya in this? Premahara Haya Gadha.
Premahara Haya. Haya actually in Sanskrit it is horse. Or it is high. High Gadha. Like great story.
Oh, great.
High level story. Okay. Next. Patana Abhyudaya Bandhura Pantha. The path is with ups and downs. Yuga Yuga Dhavita Yatri, a traveler running from ages. Tumuchira Saradhi, the traveler. You are the charioteer. You are the chariot. Under your chariot, days and nights are growing up. Days and nights are sprouting.
Yeah, what is a dhavit means?
Dhavana, running. Sahadhavati, he is running. Samayam dhavati, time is running. Yuga Yuga Dhavita Yatri, traveler is running. Every ages and ages.
What is Mukharita, Acharya?
Mukharita, sprouted.
Oh, yeah, you told us again. Yeah, I forgot.
Sprouted.
Okay.
Daruna Viplabam Aje, Tava Shankhadhvani Baje. Sankata Dukhatrata. Sankatatrata, Dukhatrata.
Yeah.
Janagana Pathaparichayaka Jayahe, Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Whoever shows the path for the other generations.
Parichayaka means introducing.
Person who introduced the new path. Kalidasa tells when he is writing Raghuvamsha, everyone appreciated him. It's a new story, great story, how beautifully you told. He tells, no. Of telling about a story of Ramayana is like a jungle. Once Valmiki went in that way, I followed his footsteps. I'm not the new one who created it. I'm just following the footsteps of Valmiki. Valmiki is the Bhagya Vidhata enough. Valmiki is Janagana Padha Parichayaka enough. In which we all are just listening to the story of Ramayana because of Valmiki. He is Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Vyasa Bhagavan wrote Mahabharata. He is Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. He just showed the path of Bharatam. Like that. Whoever creates a new path, they are considered as Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Okay, next one. Ghora, Timira, Ghana. All these are adjectives. Ghora, Timira, Ghana, Nibida. Thickness. Nishidhe. In the darkness. Pidita, Murchita Deshe. The country is in darkness. The country is Pidita, suffered. Country is fainted. At that time, Jagrita Khila. You just got up. Abhichala Mangala. Abhichala without any movement. Mangala. Welfare vision. Nata Nayane Animeshe. Without blinking, you just looking at us, protecting us. That made us more active, alert, That made us so excited. Duswapne Atanke. Raksha Karile Anke. Please protect us from bad dreams and terrorism. Snehamayi Tumi Mata. You are like a very great, friendly. Janagana Dukhatrayaka. Hey Dukhatrayaka. Jaya He Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. You are the fortune teller of Bharata Desha. Any doubt in this?
Is this about a Mata?
No, telling about one thing we can tell. Every time Bharata Bhagya Vidhata is not only a masculine word, it is also a feminine word. Any lady can also be like this, no?
Yes.
To tell that, Bharata, you Snehamayi Tumi Mata. You are like a friendliness showering mother.
Is he addressing the country here, Mata?
No, Snehamayi Tumi Mata. You are like mother. Maybe country, maybe person, maybe a woman, maybe a man.
Who is his you?
That is what, whoever suitable to those qualities is you.
Okay.
Maybe Dadji, maybe Abdul Kalam.
he's not addressing, but in this poem, when he wrote it, he is addressing someone. And
That's what.
that
Who is that someone?
the-
Is always a question mark. That may be me. So
Why?
whoever reads the poem, they should feel that it should be me.
Maybe Kali Mata.
No, he's not telling one name. Kalimata is okay, but he always inspires humanity, na?
But I think any poetry or any of these such things is like left to interpretation, right? People will try to interpret the way they want to do it sometimes.
Yeah, I
Yes,
think this.
that's what.
the
Whoever are
way
suitable to these qualities, he is Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. He or she is Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. Vivekananda can be considered. Yeah, in that way. Ratra Prabhalita. This is completely natural phenomena. It's speaking about nature in the morning, early morning nature concept. Ratra Prabhalita Udita Ravichavi Purva Udaya Giribhale Gahe Vihangama Punya Samirana Navajivana Rasadhale Tava Karunaruna Rage Nidrita Bharata Jage. All the entire country just gets up early in the morning looking at the orange color, saffron color. Tavacharane Natamatha. Jaya he, Jaya he, Jaya 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 he, Bharata Bhagya Vidhata.
Karunaruna Rage means?
Ragam is
color.
Aruna Ragam.
Oh, it's like rang.
Orange color.
Okay.
Aruna Ragam. Your orange color, which is showing lot of mercy, pity.
Because when we say ragam in Telugu, it's different.
So in musical terminology, ragam is different.
I guess
Every ragam has a color.
Yes, it's a contextual, I say. Here.
So it's technical term in music. Ragam is some tune. Generally, ragam is color. What is anuragam?
Is it like a love and affection, raga?
Ragam is ishtam. Ragam is color actually.
Oh, okay.
Ragam is color, followed by the color is anuragam.
I guess
Yeah.
it is also a feeling, right? Raga Dvesha.
Yeah,
it's
raga
a feeling.
dvesha.
It just indicates a color. That's why.
Anuraga means like love or affection.
What is that?
Anuraga means affection or love.
No, the emotion followed.
Anu is follow, I guess.
The emotion followed. Matru anuragam. Mamata anuragam. So anuragam is emotion followed.
This is a beautiful composition there.
Yeah, it's a beautiful composition, na? Yeah.
Yeah. No wonder
Thank you very
got
much.
a Nobel
I'm
Prize.
very happy today.
Yeah, we are very happy to learn about our national anthem, actually. Yeah.
True song.
It is surprising that it took this long to learn about this.
Janagana Mana was in Bengali. I thought it was in Bengali.
So actually, is also in Bengali. Generally, there are few poetries which translated in Bengali for their better understanding. So you'll get this is original and rare writing of Rabindranath Tagore. All his writings are translated in Bengali. Those are very popular. You can see everywhere those only, but this is a original writing.
Because there is va in this, va sound in this stanzas, in this entire.
Vabayora Bhedaha. Vangadesha, Bengal, Varanasi, Banaras, Vishnu become Vishnu.
Yeah. So that means I don't know if he wrote it or somebody translated this.
Which one?
This Hindi or
he wrote it.
He wrote it in Sanskrit then.
Yeah, because Bengali is a limited regional language.
Yeah.
If he writes it, the entire country will understand. So whatever he writes for the country, people in their textbooks, they translated it in Bengali. If you write the
So
same
that means-
words in Bengali, the letters will change, the letters pronunciation
Yes.
will change.
I think it appears to original composition by him.
Yeah,
Very
this is
well.
original composition.
Yeah, I guess the Bengali, as you said, is so close to Sanskrit. It is not too far from Sanskrit.
But the endings will always be with O.
You're right.
Guru,
Yeah.
Brahmo,
Ending is
Guru,
O,
Vishnu. Jano Gano Mano
Yeah,
Adinayoko Jayo Bharato Bhagyo Vidato.
yeah,
It sounds like-
Shomitro. They say Shomitro.
Ah,
Somitra, we say
Shomitro.
Shomitro.
Yeah, yeah.
We have some colleagues, Bengali colleagues.
They
True, true.
pronounce like that, but it is written the way you wrote.
You're right, you're right.
Nice.
All would like to hear more Bengali poetry, I guess. It is beautiful,
In
like
the
Tagore.
Oriya.
That's why I guess we understand why he got a Nobel Prize, I guess. We never knew what the hell is that Gitanjali.
Yeah.
But yeah, so
But
at least we
Vande
got
Mataram-
This is
Vande
called as
Mataram is
introduction,
also-
introduction of poetry. Once you get introduced to poetry, slowly your mind will become so vast to understand many other things. See, he
He's-
explained a small Ratra Prabhalita Ratra Prabhatila Udita Ravi Chavi. How beautiful it is, like telling about orange color. Tava Karuna Rukna Rage Nidrita Bharata Jage. How beautiful the wordings are. Imagine if we are just happy with this poetry, what might be the impact of this poetry before independence? When people are suffering, suffocated, when people are just experiencing the troubles of Britishers, how they might have felt listening to this poem. Nidrita Bharata Jage, Jaya Jaya He. Like all these words he used to just encourage people at that time. It is considered as national anthem because of all the regions, parvatas, geographical conditions of India. Bharat Desha was explained in first stanza, so it is national anthem. But still, there are many good poetries at that time.
Vande Mataram is also written by a Bengali.
Bankim
poet.
Chandra Chatterjee, yeah.
He's
That
also,
is
but
purely
it's also in-
Sanskrit. We'll go to that next week.
yeah, it's a Sanskrit. Yeah.
That is the start of independence movement.
Again, we are starting independence movement.
No, the Vande Mataram song was the starting point for independence movement.
No, there are many, but this is famous.
Yes.
This is famous. Even Bal Gangadhar Tilak used to write very beautiful poetry, like nice poetry he used to write. Many people contributed for the freedom fight. Their own writings, their own journals, their own articles, their own poetry, their own speeches. Many speeches motivated many people to come out and fight for freedom at that time.
many unsung heroes.
Many unsung heroes, many unsung poetries, many hidden poetries, many hidden gems, seriously.
That is why Gandhiji called him Lokamanya.
Lokamanya Tilak, yeah. He was accepted by everybody. Okay, Swami, that's very fine and fantastic class today. I'm very happy that we are just reading the poetry in Sanskrit, understanding it.
Yeah, we are very grateful you brought us to this.
Okay, like you people
extended-
had a lot of patience in
extended
listening.
extended
Bhakta-
version of our
Shateshu Jayate Shuraha. What is Shateshu?
60 year.
100.
Shata.
100.
100 years.
Jayate. Will be born.
will be born.
Shuraha. What is
Heroes.
Shuraha?
Heroes.
Valorful person.
Yeah.
Okay, among 100, you may find one valorful person. Shateshu Jayate Shuraha. Sahasreshu cha Panditaha.
Oh, okay.
One pandit in 1,000 people.
Among 1,000, one scholar may take birth. Vakta, orator. Dasha Sahasreshu.
Oh,
1,000 people, there will be
Among
one
10,000
narrator.
people, there may be one person who got good extempore.
Right.
Okay. I am like Pandita, if according to you, one among 1,000. You know, Shrota,
Yeah.
Bhavativa Nava.
Bhavativana.
What
does
it
that
means?
mean? Million?
May and may not be there.
Mhm.
But I'm very great and happy that you people are listening to me, condemning that statement. Many Shrotas are there. You are proving that. So you are great. So people who donates is not a great person. Who seeks is the greatest person.
But it is quite interesting that none of the audience have heard of these extra poems of Tagore-ji.
No, the surprising thing is, right, even the one we heard, we didn't fully know the meaning.
We never went through that perception. That's the problem. Always when it is ringing na, always goosebumps happens, all the beatings will be heard. All those things will dominate us and we'll never concentrate on meaning.
Now also that word Uchchala Jaladi Taranga, that Uchchala is many times pronounced as Ujjvala.
Okay, Ujjvala or Uchchala,
Yeah.
it's in different.
Right.
Uchchala.
Utchala.
Uchchala. It is rising waters.
Like rising with waves.
Jaladi Tarangas, the water Tarangale, paiki leche.
Egasi padutunna tarangalu. Like rising waves, like touching sky.
Correct.
Rushing
But
wave.
anyway, it's something we learned today that our knowledge is so limited.
It's obvious. We feel like we know everything, but like we know.
The more you learn,
there is a Rajnikant dialogue. We know a little. Don't know is a mountain.
the more you learn, the realization comes up that you know so little.
True. Next time, whenever you listen to the national anthem, you will be enjoying it. Might be.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you post the stanzas in the group, Acharya-ji?
Sure.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
Acharya-ji, please, if possible, can you audio record it? I liked the way you pronounced it and this.
Already recorded.
It's already recorded in. You can see it.
No. This one, the game.
Only national. Okay, only all the 5 stanzas.
Yeah,
Right.
not our voices in the middle.
Yes, I wanted to hear you again and again.
I think your voice is nicer than.
Arey, no.
You are feeling shy. That's it.
Fine,
Actually, your
I'll
voice
sing,
is nice.
don't worry.
Okay, we can ask Nagasudha Mata to sing and send.
Don't fire, I'll sing.
We'll try. We all will try again. Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Thank you
Thank
so
you very
much.
much for today. Dhanyavadaha. Vande Mataram. I think Vande Mataram justified today. You are visiting your motherland. Janani. You know this thing, na? Lakshmana asked Rama, why can't we set up Ayodhya in Lanka? Because it is built with completely gold. He says, Apiswarnamayi Lanka, even though the Lanka is made up with gold, Name rochete Lakshmana. Lakshmana, I don't like it. It won't taste me. Janani Janma Bhumischa Swargadapi Gariyasi. Mother and motherland both are greater than heaven. The feeling will be always within DNA, within our blood. So, Vande Mataram. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next class.
Dhanyawad, Acharya-ji. Namaste.
Lakshmana Reddy ji, Dhanyawad Dadji, Dhanyawad.
Dhanyavad.
Baji, Namaste. Vasudha Mata, you are not audible today.
Yeah, Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad. Thank you. Shyamji, Namaste.
Namaste.
Vande Mataram.